Okay, here's my updated video to the one that I posted yesterday. Ended up getting all my stripes masked off and base coated and got all my clear on. So the car is painted. That devilbiss GPI lays some clear like glass. That thing's awesome. Got some trash in it, but no biggie. Got painted in a garage, so nothing that won't buff out. So yeah, turned out awesome. I'm super happy with it. I didn't even bother too much with the roof. I put one light coat of clear on it. Most of it's going to get sanded off anyway, because this gets a vinyl top. Still got to do all the spatter paint in the trunk. Just going to try my own little concoction with this, and I Raptor lined the whole undercarriage, which turned out pretty awesome. Can't really see in this light. What I was going to try is the Raptor liner, you can get it tinted, but I was going to the trunk gets like black and aqua spatter paint for $69. So I was going to mix up maybe a little bit of aqua inside the Raptor liner and give it a few squirts, see how that turns out, or if that doesn't spray right, then maybe spray all the Raptor liner and then throw some aqua in the container when the Raptor liner container is empty, and then just squirt that in there, get globs of it on there, and maybe that'll give me my spatter paint. It's smooth. Stripes are buried and clear. Alright, well, now give this a few days to dry and then I'll start assembling it, but I guess I can probably start my interior. I have went down to REM, which is local to me, and ended up getting a lot of interior stuff. Their prices blow away ordering it online at like Fusix or Original Parts Group and stuff, because they supply them. So but yeah, like I said, I'm super happy with it. So just wanted to post up an update. I guess I'll post up another update as things start coming together. See ya.